Hey guys, a very good morning, and Fabio here. So I hope you're all doing well. This Sunday, quick announcement, major backtesting session, 10 a.m. Central Eastern Time. Make sure to be there because you will be able to ask all your backtesting questions all for free. So if you want to be there, make sure to join the Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Furthermore, some massive releases are going to be held next week because I'm going to be releasing the trading algorithm. I'm going to be releasing trading content. My personal trading plan is going to be released, and I'm going to be releasing some trading files, backtesting files, excuse me. So yeah, big things coming up. But without further ado, let's just dive straight into this video and see what is going on. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and as we can see, the dollar index has found some resistance at that swing high of 94.302. As expected, sadly, the euro dollar long, which I took, which was in accordance with the dollar index finding resistance at this level, didn't play out as expected. Pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, they all went for it except for euro dollar. So kind of sad to see, but hey guys, this kind of shit happens. So the only thing I can do personally is just move on. I'm not going to be hiding any losses, as you guys can obviously see. I'm very open about it, and these kind of things just happen, especially when traveling. Sometimes it can be a bit harder to trade more consistently. I have at least seen and share trades on a very consistent basis because I have been missing a lot of trades due to me traveling. I've also not been able to share all the trades, and sometimes the trades that were not shared were winners, or of course also losses. But yeah, this kind of things happen, or these kind of things happen, so all we can do is just move on. But yeah, what is going to be looking forward for next week, or for this day, excuse me, what I'm going to be looking for today is of course some more downside on the dollar index. Still expecting a pullback somewhere from this region. We could still move up higher in towards 94.742. However, yeah, from there I do, at least from 94.742, expect the dollar index to start falling. Let's say we do start breaking above, then just keep an eye on this clean move that we have over here, because we could start filling that clean move all the way back up towards this area where the basing structure starts, because this is of course, as you guys can see, a drop, a base, then another drop. So this is supply over here, this is your clean move. So let's say we do close and break above this high of 94.742, then we will probably see 96.054 be met. However, for now we are finding resistance at 302, and I'm expecting 742 to also hold as an area of resistance. So yeah, that is that for the dollar index. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, guys, so for Aussie dollar, I'm just still waiting for it to hit this lower level. Then I'm going to be looking for longs. Not really going to make it any more complicated than it is. That's just simply what I'm going to be waiting for. So in the meantime, what can we see in regards to certain pattern or anything? Well, not much. We do kind of have like this channel over here. So let's say we start seeing that third trend line touch of the channel, then we can start looking for longs from this area of demand. So yep, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys, so yeah, I was waiting for that fake out on this low. As we can see, we did see some bullish price action. However, yesterday was just such a messy day, lots and lots happening. But yeah, it is what it is. Going back towards the weekly time frame, what I'm waiting for now is just to see how the weekly is going to close. We need 2 weekly closes underneath this line for us to start seeing more downside in towards 1.12972. So yeah, let's head over to pound dollar. So pound dollar still very bearish looking. Going back towards the daily, as we can see, we saw that massive bullish move on the daily yesterday, or at least massive. It was somewhat 100 pips up. Sadly, euro dollar didn't do the same, but it is what it is. So for now, just going to be waiting for us to at least reach this level. Then going to be looking for more downside. If we don't reach that level, for me, no trades, no longs on the board, as we do not have any obvious areas of demand here to our left. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's go to Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar, guys, for Kiwi dollar, I'm just waiting for this lower level to get hit at 0.68305. Kiwi dollar very similar to Aussie dollar, exactly the same chart essentially in some way. So yeah, just waiting for more downside before taking any trades. That is all I can really say. Maybe form some kind of nice wedge before taking any trades over here. But yeah, that is it essentially. Just waiting for something like this, then trade the break retest 618. And you can, of course, also trade from within demand if you see a lower time frame trend break on, let's say, the 1 hour or the 50 minute. or use the scalping strategy within the demand, which I have explained, but more info on the scalping strategy and an educational video on that will start being released next week, excuse me. So with that said, let's over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold, guys, so gold has essentially played out to perfection, as we can see. Moved out of demand within this wedge, as expected. So for now, just waiting for the pullback back down in towards 1734 before taking any entries. So once we retrace in towards 1734, I will be looking for a long on gold. So yeah, sadly we took euro dollar longs instead of gold longs, but yeah, it is what it is essentially. So just going to be waiting for that pullback, then I'm going to be looking for some potential longs. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit that thumbs up button, and I can't wait to speak to you all in the Discord server and see you on Sunday during the live backtesting session. Thanks, guys.